What do you do when you're watching the news and you watch all this stuff and it's the Great Reset? We're going to have President Trump on the right, and we got Kamala Harris on the left. Oh, by the way, but it was Biden, the guy that, the president that's now, that I don't think they found him since 2020. He's been lost. So they replaced him. Now it's Kamala. Well, now we got another problem. She's dumber than him. So we got another guy as VP, and he's got a rap sheet longer than her, and crime's down while the crime's way up. You know, skies are way up, bills are way up. It's $70 just for a week's worth of food, maybe. You know, gas is like $3 and some cents a gallon when it was like $2 under Trump. We got a major problem. We need a replacement of the left. Like a replacement of the replacement of the replacement. We seem like we got nuttier, going nuttier and nuttier. Why don't they just quit running for president and figure out how to live on the campaign money? They'd be millions richer instead of watch this clown show they got.